Ngiyabazwela ke labasebenza ngoba ngizwa kuthiwa bathola izinyanga ezintathu kuphela mabeqeda ukubeleka kushuthi ke bese ke ugcina nini imiyala kanjani ke thina enze njani ukuze kungabe sekuyanqama lokho
the working class omama ababhizi abasebenzayo usually abasithola isikhathi sokuthi babe nomntwana usuku lonke baye emsebenzini there are various commitments banama commitments ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo siyayibakhuthaze ukuthi bakhamele izingane zabo siyayisebenzisa ithema elithi express breast milk i-express breast milk ke uma umkhamela umntwana wafaka nje efrijini liyakwazi ukulasta for 3 to 5 days. Uma ulifake ku freezer, ku deep freeze yakho, liyalasta from 3 to 6 months. Yes. So umama nje mhlambe ngeweekend kule weekend angasebenzi nayo, angahlala phansi asebenzise pump noma asebenzise sona isandla, akhamela ingane ubisi lizoba enough in anticipating ukuthi mhlambe uzoba busy throughout the week.